usapang kooperatiba tayo kasama si Kuya Jay. Dito lang sa Mang People TV.
Magandang araw mga ka-people. Isang panibagong araw na naman ang dumating kung saan ating tatalakayin at tutuklasin ang mga bagong kaalaman patungkol sa ating kooperatiba dito sa Mang People TV. Ito ang Usapang Kooperatiba. Ngayong araw mga ka-people, makakapanayam natin ang Special Project Officer at si Labco Executive Director ng CPMPC upang tatalakayin ang mga bagong proyekto ng ating kooperatiba at aalamin kung paano umunlad ito. For today's episode, let us all welcome our ever-active and beautiful guest, Miss Maripit Masyon. Hi, Mama Beth.
Hi.
Kumusta?
Yes, Sir Jay. I'm good.
Kumusta yung travel mo today dito sa ating studio?
Okay naman. Medyo maambon but okay.
Okay na, okay.
Yes.
Akala ko si Cara David yung guest natin today.
Akala lang, Sir Jay.
Oy, si Mama Pit, in fairness, kamukha niya yung taga GMA7, si Miss Cara David. Baka,
Wow, thank you, Sir Jay.
Baka makita ito ng GMA7, Mama Pit, at i-pirate ka ng GMA7, mawalan kami ng Special Project Officer.
Hindi yan mangyayari, Sir Jay.
And you know what, Miss Mapit, we miss you here sa ating Mang People TV. And we miss you na ikaw yung katambalan ko or partner ko na host dito sa ating
Same here,
Cebu
Sir
People's
Jay.
Co-op.
I am so happy to be back.
Yeah. Ma'am, nalipay ka ayo mi ugda ko. We're so glad and happy that nagpaunla ka po ng interview for today sa ating Usapang Kooperatiba and looking forward na dalas-dalasan mo yung pagbisita sa ating Usapang Kooperatiba, and I know you have a lot of projects na pinaghahawakan mo ngayon, no, Miss Mapit. And by the way, behind the success of Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative, mga ka-People's Co-op, is that Miss Mapit, no, our linkages from the DA, ACPC, DSWD, you name it, yung mga government agency, mga ka-People's Co-op, and behind the scene and the effort is our ever dynamic and energetic, beautiful Special Project Officer, Miss Cara David.
Wow.
Oh,
Are you sure?
Ma'am, ma-repeat Masyon.
Thank you, Sir Jay.
Okay, Ma'am Pet, can you introduce yourself before nawala ka pa sa co-op? Paano kayo napunta dito sa People's Co-op? And I've heard, pinapirate itong si Miss Mapit from her previous employer. Sana hindi ito makikita ng previous employer mo, Miss Mapit, ha? Ma'am, can you share something ano po yung previous work po ninyo? Bakit kayo na punta dito sa ating cooperative?
Okay, sige, Sir Jay. Actually, good morning, everyone. No, it's so good to be back here. So,
And welcome.
it feels so good, no? Medyo nakapapanibago pero it feels good. Anyway, I used to work before in an NGO. So that's where I met Sir Yong and Cebu People's Co-op. We have program together. We collaborated in the PPT program. So,
Yung piso-piso tigo.
yes.
Yung piso-piso tigo, it's all about savings.
Exactly, Sir
Even
Jay.
piso, Miss Mapet, pwede natin i-deposito dito sa ating cooperative. And na-picture po tayo sa TV5 niyan.
Yes,
Okay.
tama.
Continue, Miss Mapet.
Oo, so that's where I started, that I met Cebu People's Co-op and Sir Yong. So after that, napatuloy yung programa. Kahit yung isang NGO na tinatrabahoan ko, medyo na-end yung fund, so nag-close siya. But naipagpatuloy ni Cebu People's Co-op yung programa na PPT. So I had another job, and then may communication din kami ni Sir Yong. And then, tama yung sinabi mo kanina, I was pirated? Is that the right word?
Grabe,
Sinabi
Miss
mo,
Mapet, oy.
nag-offer si Sir Yong, no, to work with Cebu People's Co-op. So, I did not have second thoughts. Why? Because nakita ko how the cooperative also took care of the PPT. Kahit nag-end na yung NGO, no, yung where I used to work, si Cebu People's Co-op was able to sustain the program. So, mataas ang tingin ko sa Cebu People's Co-op because they were able to do that.
And Miss Mapet, how many years ka na? Ilang taon ka na dito sa ating
Sa
cooperative?
Cebu People, 6 years.
If you talk about special project, annual loan, for yung mga projects natin, Miss Mapit, annual loan program before that, yung
Kadiwa,
yung Alpas, ahon lahat,
Yes,
pagkain sapat kontra COVID-19. Grabe, mas mapit yan. Playa, yung production loan, easy access na to.
oo.
Grabe. Ang dami, no? Playa, intended for our farmers.
Oo,
Okay?
tama.
You know what, guys? Yung ginagawa ni Cooperative is that parang soldier kasi ito si Miss Muppet na kung ano yung mga special project ng government, si Miss Muppet po yung ma-arrange, no, between the government and the cooperative. So, nasa gitna palagi si Miss Muppet. Okay? Siya po yung tagapag-arrange ng mga like MOA natin, di ba, Miss Muppet, yung
Yes.
agreement. Then,
Mm-mm.
tapos, para bang we're so grateful is because the money, para bang dito china-channel, yung could do it tayo.
Tama, Sir
Oo.
Jay.
So, dito china-channel yung pera sa ating cooperative para din may bahagi sa mga members po natin, Miss Muppet, no?
Yes.
And grabe yung effort mo dito sa ating kooperatiba, Miss Muppet. Okay? Miss Muppet, share a glimpse about your work and position right now in the cooperative.
So, okay, Sir Jay.
Ano po yung ginagawa ninyo? Okay? Para ma-aware po. Guys, sinishare natin ito sa ating Amang People TV for you to know kung anong ginagawa, kung gaano ka-busy si People's Co-op. Last year, nung nagkaroon tayo, Miss Muppet, ng pandemic, di ba?
Yes.
Kayo yung isa sa mga tumutulong sa yung mga Kadiwa partnership, yung mga farmers natin na sa bukid para hindi na mahirapan na magbenta sila dito sa dito sa mga market, 'di ba? Kayo yung isa sa mga tumutulong. Can you share something, Miss Muppet?
Yes. So, special projects officer. So, it entails me partnering with other government and even non-government organizations. No, so tama yung naisabi ni Sir Jacob, no, that we link with them. Yes, during pandemic, tama, kahit naka-lockdown, no, we are still working. We go to the field. May limitation, may challenge in terms of the mobility, and bringing the food to the community. It was very challenging pero fulfilling at the same time. Nagawa ng Cebu People's Co-op yun. So, but we don't limit ourselves only to government. We also partner with non-government.
Yung mga NGO.
Halimbawa, we were able to partner with Oxfam in our...
Name something, ma'am, yung mga partners natin na NGO din, ano po yung ino-offer nila sa atin para sa ating mga members? Guys, we share this to you. It's because the bottom line is that for our members, for the benefit of our members, hindi sa amin ito, para sa mga membro ito ng ating cooperative. Okay? Yung Oxfam, nalala ko yan.
Oxfam, yes. We partnered with them for the Casillas program.
Yung mga CR.
Oo, it was specific for the Yolanda affected families.
I remember, Mapit ba na merong story na ang ganda ng mga beach dyan sa Bantayan Island. But yung problema, mga tao pala, hindi naman lahat. Yung walang CR yung iba.
Yes, especially after the typhoon Yolanda. Kasi nasira nga yung bahay. Of course, CR kasali, no? So, tapos ang mahal-mahal naman ngayon ng mga
materials.
Yes, materials. So, tinutulungan natin sila, minamotivate, no? Hand in hand with the barangays there, the importance of having a toilet, and then Cebu People's Co-op is there to assist also in terms of building the toilet. Hindi tayo ang nagbi-build mismo, but for them to avail how to build a toilet. So it can be through loan or through savings. So yun ang ginagawa natin for them. So it's very good, no, when you partner with other organizations kasi we bring in more help to the community. No? So, and it's very good to collaborate kasi sa isang tao, ang dami niyang na-benefit. So, yun, ang nakita ko na with partnership, working in collaboration with other government and non-government organization, yun.
So, yung specific project ni Oxfam, yung NGO na sinasabi mo, Miss Muppet, is that Casillas, they supply the materials for the CR, for the comfort room.
Actually, hindi, Sir Jay. Ang ginagawa natin before is the family, minamotivate natin to have a toilet. Once they have decided to, okay, I want to build a toilet. So, how do you want to avail that? It can be a savings or a loan. So, binibigyan natin ng actually choice how to achieve that. And then we are also helping them.
Ang hirap kasi, Miss Muppet, no? Yung health, di ba, behind the one of the reasons that the Oxfam and the People's Co-op supported that the people there in Bantayan Island after the Yolanda is that ang hirap na wala kang CR.
Yes. And then, importante yun because it entails what? Your health.
Your health, yan.
Yes.
Oh, yan.
And then, the environment, yung sanitation. So, ang daming, kaakibat na mga aspeto ng ating, everyday lives with that toilet, no? Most of the people kasi don't see the importance because especially tayo, we are living in the city. It's very easy to have access, no, to mga paggamit ng kasilyas. But when you are in the remote area, I have tried that, no, in one of the travel and doing some work. Ang hirap talaga.
Sa atin, parang na-used to na tayo that we have this beautiful CR at home, naka-tiles pa. But yung sa iba pala, parang ito sa kanila, parang ang mahal, no?
Yes.
Parang nahihirapan sila. Kaya pala, Miss Mapit, ang sarap ng dried fish doon sa Bantayan Island. Meron pa yung sekreto, Miss. Okay, Miss Mapit, do we still have this kind of program today or after lang ng Yolanda?
No, it's still existing. Yung gusto mag-avail, it's still there. Actually, hopefully we can actually try to replicate it in other areas. Pwede naman yun, pero kaso usually dito sa mga mainland, mostly may CR in the city. But yes, it's still open.
And then, I remember the song ba, kung ikaw, dagan lang sa baybayon.
Yes, oo.
Okay. So guys, mga peoples, pwede po hindi lang ito intended kasi this project was started way back in Bantayan Island.
Yes.
Diba? So pwede po ito sa different branches po natin, Miss Mapit, no? We have the Todela, we have the Balamban, yung sa mga provinces po natin. Basta yung idea is that we will orient the members kung gaano kahalaga na magkakaroon sila ng CR comfort room.
Yes, Sir Jay.
For their safety, health concern, at the same time, environmental also.
Yes, tama.
So we need to take good care of that environment kasi asset yan ng mga tao dyan, no? So kung ma-destroy yung kalikasan, yung beach, wala nang tourism, patay yung tourism industry. So, pag mayroong pa rin din na maliligo sa dagat, din tapos makikita niya na mayroong dumi ng tao, nako, hindi na babalik yun. Sayang. So, this is intended for our members kasi yung idea nito is that they save first. Parang nag-saving sila.
Nagsisave. Pero yung iba naman, nag-avail ng loan.
Nag-loan sila. Intended for the toilet.
Yes, toilet also.
Ang ganda, no? Grabe yun. Mga ilang tao nakabenepisyo nito?
Siguro around 20 families.
20 families. Doon sa Bantayan Island.
Oo. Yes, Sir Jay.
Yan. And, okay, ma'am, anong mga lessons that you have learned also that you are here in the cooperative? Ma'am, kindly share it to us and to everyone.
Okay. Lesson siguro is working in collaboration with other organizations and even within like sa cooperative, no, dito sa atin lang mismo sa organization is working in collaboration with your other
departments.
So, nakita ko yon ang kagandahan working in collaboration. At doon, dinala ko din yun when you work with partnership, of course, collaboration also. So, it's very good kasi mas effective yung natin, yung intervention. Why? Because hindi lang isang tao or isang agency ang tumutulong. So, ang mangyayari, ang ma-avail or ang ma-benefit noon is the community or the person. Tapos, ang mana-benefit niya, hindi lang isa na mga intervention, kundi dalawa or tatlo. So, it's very good.
Miss Mapit, paano nyo hinahandle yung challenge? So, ano yung mga challenges the moment kayo po yung nag-a-approach na isang NGO? Oxfam po lang yun, di ba? Ang dami mong ang dami mong mga government agency na hinahandle, and even the NGO, di ba? Marami kayong hinahandle. And para bang you need to have this connection between you and them na in order for them na makuha yung tiwala nila to People's Co. Para bang you need to build good good attitude, or para bang in order for them na mawin po yung oo nila. So ano yung ninyo, yung challenge na na experience po ninyo? Did you experience na hindi kami mag-join sa hindi kami mag-participate sa project na yan? Meron bang nagre-refuse na mag-coordinate sa atin?
Actually, it's more of like adjusting yourself or leveling off kasi we are cooperative. For example, NGO, especially Oxfam, ang laki na Oxfam. Iba yung
International yan, di ba?
Oh, yes, it's an international organization. Iba yung pinanggagalingan nila, iba yung sa atin. So, I think nag-work naman. The key is, be able to understand each other. This is how I see it. This is how we see it. And then from there, tingnan natin kung saan tayo we have a common ground. So, yun, ang But so far, in my experience naman, maganda
Na-close
naman.
lahat.
So far.
Wala nagre-refuse.
Wala naman. So, pero kasi lahat, Sir Jay, na pag-uusapan naman, there is always a solution. Di ba?
Para bang, kung hindi tayo kapareho, but we meet the common ground.
Yes. Basta isipin lang natin, ang goal natin is to be able to help kung ano yung gusto nating ma-achieve or sino yung gusto natin tutulungan.
Para sa mga tao.
Yes.
And para sa mga member ng cooperative po natin. Alright,
Tama.
Miss Mapet, marami pa kaming mga katanungan po sa inyo and magbabalik ang Usapang Kooperatiba.
Okay.
Paano ba magpamember sa Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative online? Una, you visit our website www.mycoop.ph. I-click mo ang Be a Member Now button. Follow the steps. Step 1. Watch our PMES video. Step 2. Click again the Be a Member Now button at maghanda ng selfie picture with white background, picture of any government ID, 3 pirma in a white bond paper, tapos fill out the membership form. You can do it using your cell phone. Click OK and read and understand button. You fill up the membership form. Click the submit for review. You can now upload your pictures, your selfie picture, valid ID, at ang 3 pirma. You can click the edit your application kung merong mali, or you may now click the submit application button kung okay na. Congratulations! Your application has been sent. Expect feedback within 24 to 48 hours. Welcome to Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative. Paano ba makita ang savings o account summary mo sa co-op through online? Una, you visit our website www.mycoop.ph. Pindutin mo ang register button sa itaas. You fill up the username, email address, name, mobile number, and the password. Don't forget to write down your username and password. Click the register button. You fill up the member's information. Una, your co-op membership ID number. Make sure na tama ang format. You can see your co-op ID number sa passbook, or you can contact your branch. Click the small box I agree to terms and services at pindutin mo ang submit for approval button. Your account is placed under pending status. You log in after 24 hours, or you can contact our hotline kung kinakailangan. Congratulations! You may now view your savings and account summary sa co-op. Just click the login button sa ating website. Paano ba magbayad o mag-deposit sa Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative using DragonPay? Una, you visit our website www.mycoop.ph. I-click mo ang Be a Member Now. Step 3, click Pay via DragonPay. You fill up the details in CPMPC DragonPay payment portal form. Click what are you paying for? Membership, loan, deposit, share capital, PPI, People's Jeep, real estate, or others. Lagyan mo ng amount, complete name, and email address. Click the checkout button. Select your source of fund, pwedeng online banking or e-wallet. Or you can choose over-the-counter or ATM. Click the box I agree to the terms and conditions and pindutin mo ang select button. Click send instructions via email or mobile button. Magpunta ka sa iyong email address. Pindutin mo ang link na ibinigay ni DragonPay at sundin mo ang payment instructions. Congratulations! You made the online transactions using DragonPay.
In this time with the country affected by this pandemic, we, the Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperatives, continue to support the implementation of PUB modernized vehicles.
In realizing the economic, social, and environmental welfare in this program.
Now join us as we are about to show you our video snippets of our new invested People's Jeep Class 3 models.
The anticipated, the innovated, introducing the additional 20 Class 3 of People's Jeep units.
Ka-peoples, join us as we walk you to our PUB modernized vehicle. Let us behold together as we witness the People's Jeep in continuing its legacy to make the best for the people.
Class 3 People's Jeep units are an improved riding experience for the benefit of our present and future generations of Filipino passengers.
Equipped with all the features of a modernized jeepney, with 27 seating capacity, more spacious than a Class 2 model. Incredible comfortable seat, especially for a long distance travel, with auto climate control air conditioning, GPS, Wi-Fi CCTV, LED lights and tilted television, window curtains, sun visor, glass hammer and fire extinguisher to keep you safe, comfortable and entertained while on the road. Hassle-free and contactless payment method using the MC3 card, GCash and OnlyRide QR code, with enthusiastic and friendly drivers and pals. Get to your destination safely and comfortably with People's Jeep.
Making things better for the people.
Without losing? Do you want to save money while playing? Worry no more! For 25 pesos worth of entry, you can now play and save money at the same time. But there's more! Not only you can enjoy and save money, but you also get a chance to win 1 million pesos or a brand new car. The choice is in your hands. Only here in Play to Save. Mag-usapang kooperatiba tayo kasama si Kuya Jay. Dito lang sa Mang People TV.
Alright, nagbabalik ang usapang kooperatiba with our beautiful guest for today, Miss Cara David. Okay. Miss Maripit Masyon, our Special Project Officer. Thank you so much, Miss Mapet. And kanina guys, mga ka-peoples ko, napag-usapan po natin yung work ni Miss Mapet, ano ba yung mga workload po niya, ay, ano yung mga challenges, yung kung meron bang magre-reject, patulam naman so far. So far, so good, no? And Ms. Mapet, what kind of projects, programs, and services have you implemented in the cooperative? Kanina napag-usapan natin yung sa Oxfam partnership with Oxfam, the international NGO. I remember sa Hidden Paradise nag-conduct sila ng orientation, di ba? About yung sa gender siguro yun. And Casalias Loan, then ano pa yung
with
na-implement natin?
DSWD, yung PPT sa 4-piece program nila.
Grabe ang laking tulong ng PPT para sa mga 4-piece po natin na beneficiary, Miss Mapet.
Tama, oo.
Can you share something about the PPT, Miss Mapet?
Okay. PPT or PCP Sumtigom, this is the intervention na we are partnering with the SWD for the 4-piece program. So, why piso-piso? Because part kasi ng 4-piece program of DSWD is yung mga beneficiaries na tinutulungan nila. Part of that, one of the aspect na tinitingnan is yung savings, no? Because alam naman natin, It doesn't mean na 4-piece beneficiary sila, forever na sila na 4-piece beneficiary. So part of that, so that they will be able to improve their quality of life, isang aspeto yung savings na tinitingnan nila na ma-develop, no, ng isang family. So that's where we come in. Tayo pong Cebu People's co-partner with them na yung mga 4-piece beneficiary natin ng mga members may access to that because, you know, it's very difficult for them to have access to the formal financial na mga institution when it comes to savings, no?
Yung iba nahihirapan sila, no?
Tama.
Wala silang mga ID. Nahihiya sila na magpunta ng bangko.
Correct.
Sige, ma'am.
Oh, so ang hirap-hirap for them. But sa atin kasi, we have a collector, no? Who can do the collection for them. And sometimes nahihiya sila like, I do not know how to write or how to fill up the form for the you know, the slip. So with that, of course, na-encourage yung family. They feel good na, oh, pwede pala akong mag-save. No? Like, you have the passbook and nakikita mo na, uy, ang dami ko nang na-save. Pwede palang mag-save. So yung moral nyo as a person, no? Makikita mo nga, uy, yes, I am capable of saving. Saving pala. So, sige, you continue that. And then the other, it has other, it's like ripple effect to the other aspects of the family once you have a savings. Kasi parang, uy, it's a pride na, uy, may pera ako, may pinanghahawakan ako.
Pwede di ay mag-savings, good.
Exactly, pwede di ay. So with that savings, hindi na kailangan mangutang and all just to buy something. Hindi naman needed. Save for that if it can wait. Save muna, no? So, yan. Tapos, aside from the savings, Sir Jay, yung insurance natin.
Yan.
It's very important for them to understand the importance of having an insurance.
Life
no?
insurance ba yun, Miss Mapet?
Yes, no? So yun, so they were able to also avail of that, no? Affordable rate like 200 pesos for the family. So
ano yung coverage, ma'am?
Yung coverage is, I'm not so sure if it's like, if mamatay yung family, like, yung
so,
sa amount.
Cash assistance?
Oh yes, may cash assistance. No? So cash yung marireceive for the insurance. Isa rin yung aspeto na tinitingnan actually ng DSWD, no? Insurance. They value, nakita ng DSWD, the value of having an insurance. Why? Because mga times like that, no? Ma-address at agad yung need ng family. Although other agencies will also help, pero iba yung may insurance ka. You have an assurance. Na whatever happens, I get a help. No? Whatever happens, may tutulong.
Kasi, Miss Mapet, napag-alaman ko ba na merong NGO na nagkakandak ng survey na yung sa mga slum area. Isa sa mga reasons bakit sila nag-aaway is that wala silang pera.
Yun.
But, they dig deeper the reason bakit walang pera, but hindi talaga yun ang reason na wala silang pera. Meron silang pera, but yung challenge or yung problema is that hindi nila alam na pwede silang mag-ipon sa co-op or sa any financing institution. So para bang, tama yung sinasabi mo, Ms. Mapet, na kapag sila ay merong savings, para bang naboboost yung confidence nila na, pwede palang mag-savings. Di ba, yung mga recipient natin before sa PPT, yung mga basurero.
Tama.
Diyan sa, saan ba yun? Sa Omapad?
Omapad,
yung sa dumping site.
Yes, you remember it very well, Sir Jay.
And then, di ba, Ms. Mapet, can you share something yung experience ng isang member? Di ba, merong tricycad, driver din?
Yes. Before, wala pa yung for the PPT, walang business. So, nag-save siya for the PPT. That was in Alaska at that time.
Alaska.
No?
Sa Amerika, yun, PPT.
Wow! Naging international bigla. Okay.
Alaska, Mambaling.
Tama. Oo. So, nag-ipon yung member natin, and then nakabili siya ng tricycad.
Yan, yun.
So, hindi pa enough. So, na-inspire siya ba na, uy, I can buy pala a tricycad. Magsipag lang ako pala. So, ang ginawa niya, nagsipag pa siya, bumili siya ng another
tricycad naman.
So, dalawa na, pinarent niya yung isa. So, ang ganang tinanaw out of that one, na kapag sabi siya na pwede pala, it's possible pala.
So that's another source of income na sa kanya, no? Passive
Yes.
income. So sa savings, ang dami talagang magagawa, no? Kapag tayo may savings. Kaya dito, Miss Mapit, palagi natin inuulit na kung ikaw ay magpa-member sa cooperative natin, is that iwasan na natin yung palagi tayo nag-iisip ng utang or loan. Kasi dito, pag meron kang savings, meron kang pera, pwede nyo magagamit yan in case of emergency, di ba? So, kagaya ng sa panahon na nagkaroon tayo ng pandemic, di ba? Kung hindi tayo handa, nga talaga, wala talagang, di ba? Wala talagang mapatunguhan. Pero gaya nito, example ni Miss Mapit, yung isang bata na nagre-renta lang before ng tricycle, no? Nakabili siya ng kanyang sariling tricycle. And nakabili pa ng dalawa.
Yes.
And that's another source of income. And Miss Mapit, yung PPT natin, still existing pa ba sa mga...
Yes, it's still existing. Around, ano na natin yung members? Ang dami na nating members for the PPT actually, Sir Jacob. Around 2,000 or 3,000 na yata yung mga
Nakakatuwa,
members
Miss Mapit, kasi yung may experience natin sa ating mga collector, para bang they are hesitant and skeptical silang mag-issue ng resibo.
Yes.
Kasi, naku, piso lang yung i-deposit ng member, tapos carbonized, triplicate yung resibo natin, ang mahal-mahal. But hindi nila alam na grabe pala ang power ng isang piso. Kasi yung ibang mga recipient ng member natin ng piso-piso Tigom is that nagdi-deposit na po sila ng 20 pesos, 100 pesos, 500 pesos. Di ba, overall consolidated, magkano yung inabot? Ilang milyon yun?
Mga up to, yung ano natin, yung latest is, I think we are around close to 2 million or 3 million sa
diba?
PPT.
So, the power of piso, no? Piso-piso Tigom. So, overall consolidated, sa Bisaya pa, kung gitapok na nato tanan, kadako rin mahimo ana.
Dako, exactly, Sir J.
Mo na nga, kung ikaw magtigom ka sa usa ka tuig, pila mo na 365.
Kung piso lang.
Kung piso lang.
But if more than piso, Sir J.
10 pesos, pila na. Puting dako aoy. Wala pa ilabot sa interest. The good thing of this, Miss Mapit, is that yung sa DSWD na nag-guest din natin si Ma'am Leia Quintana, di ba? So nag-guest din natin sila din. Napag-alaman ko na ito palang mga beneficiary ng Purpose, and one of the requirement to being the recipient of Purpose is that meron talaga silang co-op or savings.
Yes.
Kaya nagsisit in na tayo na mag-educate tayo sa ating mga member, no? Then napakaganda kasi positive talaga yung tingin nila. Hindi lang sa mga recipient ng ating ng Purpose, but even the DSWD na nakita nila na laking tulong talaga ng partnership ng cooperative. Kasi yung gusto talaga natin, mga kapwa Filipinos, na lahat ng tao meron talagang savings. Mahabit natin ang savings. Alright? So, Ms. Mapit, still I have my few questions for you, but magbabalik ang Usapang Kooperatiba. Paano ba magpamember sa Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative online? Una, you visit our website, www.mycoop.ph. I-click mo ang Be a Member Now button. Follow the steps. Step 1. Watch our PMES video. Step 2. Click again the Be a Member Now button at maghanda ng selfie picture with white background, picture of any government ID, 3 pirma in a white bond paper, tapos fill out the membership form. You can do it using your cell phone. Click OK and Read and Understand button. You fill up the membership form. Click the Submit for review. You can now upload your pictures, your selfie picture, valid ID, at ang 3 pirma. You can click the Edit Your Application kung merong mali, or you may now click the Submit Application button kung okay na. Congratulations! Your application has been sent. Expect feedback within 24 to 48 hours. Welcome to Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative. Paano ba makita ang savings o account summary mo sa co-op through online? Una, you visit our website, www.mycoop.ph. Pindutin mo ang Register button sa itaas. You fill up the username, email address, name, mobile number, and the password. Don't forget to write down your username and password. Click the Register button. You fill up the member's information. Una, your co-op membership ID number. Make sure na tama ang format. You can see your co-op ID number sa passbook, or you can contact your branch. Click the small box I agree to terms and services at pindutin mo ang Submit for Approval button. Your account is placed under pending status. You log in after 24 hours, or you can contact our hotline kung kinakailangan. Congratulations! You may now view your savings and account summary sa co-op. Just click the login button sa ating website. Paano ba magbayad o mag-deposit sa Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative using DragonPay? Una, you visit our website www.mycoop.ph. I-click mo ang Be a Member Now. Step 3, click Pay via DragonPay. You fill up the details in CPMPC DragonPay payment portal form. Click what are you paying for, membership, loan, deposit, share capital, PPI, People's Jeep, real estate, or others. Lagyan mo ng amount, complete name, and email address. Click the checkout button, select your source of fund, pwedeng online banking or e-wallet, or you can choose over-the-counter or ATM. Click the box I agree to the terms and conditions and pindutin mo ang select button. Click send instructions via email or mobile button. Magpunta ka sa iyong email address. Pindutin mo ang link na ibinigay ni DragonPay at sundin mo ang payment instructions. Congratulations! You made the online transactions using DragonPay.
In this time with the country affected by this pandemic, we, the Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperatives, continue to support the implementation of PUB modernized vehicles.
In realizing the economic, social, and environmental welfare in this program.
Now join us as we are about to show you our video snippets of our new invested People's Jeep Class 3 models.
The anticipated, the innovated, introducing the additional 20 Class 3 of People's Jeep units.
Ka-peoples, join us as we walk you to our PUB modernized vehicle. Let us behold together as we witness the People's Jeep in continuing its legacy to make the best for the people.
Class 3 People's Jeep units are an improved riding experience for the benefit of our present and future generations of Filipino passengers.
Equipped with all the features of a modernized jeepney, with 27 seating capacity, more spacious than a Class 2 model. Incredible comfortable seat, especially for a long-distance travel, with auto climate control air conditioning, GPS, Wi-Fi CCTV, LED lights and tilted television, window curtains, sun visor, glass hammer, and fire extinguisher to keep you safe, comfortable, and entertained while on the road. Hassle-free and contactless payment method using the MC3 card, GCash, and OnlyRide QR code, with enthusiastic and friendly drivers and pals. Get to your destination safely and comfortably with People's Jeep.
Making things better for the people.
without losing? Do you want to save money while playing? Worry no more! For 25 pesos worth of entry, you can now play and save money at the same time. But there's more! Not only you can enjoy and save money, but you also get a chance to win 1 million pesos or a brand new car. The choice is in your hands. Only here in Play to Save. Halina't mag-usapang kooperatiba tayo kasama si Kuya Jay. Dito lang sa Mang People TV.
Alright, nagbabalik ang usapang kooperatiba with our beautiful guest for today. Mama Repeat Masyon.
Thank you, Sir Jay.
Hindi ko natatawagin Cara David.
Wag na.
Baka mapansin ni Cara David ba?
Ayay.
Ma-pirate ka din. Sikan pirate na sa GMA. Alright, kanina pag-usapan po natin yung mga projects ni Ms. Muppet, no? Yung sa PPT, yung Casillas before. But ma'am, para hindi tayo maputol, pangumustahin muna natin, how's our member? Ano yung feedback sa mga member towards us? Example, yung sa PPT, ano yung tingin nila sa co-op?
Okay, so far naman, kasi I haven't been with them recently, no, because of pandemic. But, positive naman yung tingin nila kasi may naka-avail nga somewhere sa South. I think it was in Bolhoon.
Namatay?
Oo. So, naka-avail naman. So, with that, nakita nila na ang kagandahan if you are insured. So, up to now, we are still in partnership with the SWD and we still have PPT members.
And they're thankful to us, I know. So, kaya nga sa mga ka-peoples natin nakikinig ngayon, kung hindi pa kayo member ng cooperative, magpa-member na po tayo ng ating kooperatiba, guys. Okay? Wala kayong pera, don't you worry, si Mama Pit yung magbabayad. Ay, joke lang. Okay. No. Pwede natin hulog-hulugan, Miss Muppet.
Piso lang ha, pwede na yun.
Nakulbaan si Miss Muppet. Oy, pag-ingon na kung siya mo. Right. Pwede natin hulog-hulugan. Sabi siya, padatadatahan na to, no? And, Miss Muppet, palagi tayong nagsasama, okay, talking about the annual loan, yung Agri-Negosyo Loan Program. In partnership with DA, ACPC.
Tama,
and
Sir
maraming
Jay.
salamat pala and mega shout out sa Department of Agriculture and ACPC. EC means Agricultural Credit Policy Council.
Yes,
ACPC. Yan. So, thank you so much, Miss Muppet, no? Nakapunta tayo sa Kawagan Island.
Yes.
Isla dito sa Lapu-Lapu na layunin ng annual loan program. Ay, ka na mag-discuss, Miss Muppet. Ikaw naman yung guest ko. Parang...
you can also talk, no?
Parang nabaliktad. Parang ikaw yung host, ako yung guest.
Hindi, pero ang ganda na tingnan, no? That, yung fellow na kasamaan ko sa kooperatiba was able to understand the program because dapat alam natin bawat isa anong ginagawa ng kooperatiba, yung mga partner natin. Because para may magtatanong, ano ba yung ginagawa ng co-op? Of course, so si Sir Jay yung natanong, makasagot din siya.
And we are so thankful also to you, Miss Muppet, no? Sa palagi niyong pag-invite sa aming team.
Of course.
Napunta tayo sa Kawagan Island, sa yung sa Bacolod, grabe.
Yes.
Interview natin si Mayor, no? So, the annual loan program special project from DA and partnership with ACPC na layunin na tulungan yung mga farmers natin and mga fisher folks na pwede sila ma-avail ng loan amounting to 25,000, Miss Muppet.
Kahit up to 300,000.
Grabe. Ilang years yon?
5 years to pay, zero interest.
Grabe,
zero.
Mag-farmer na tayo at mag-fisherman na tayo, Miss Muppet. Okay, Miss Muppet, can you share something about this one? Paano nyo ginagawa ito? Bakit na-approve po tayo na being the conduit with this ACPC? Ano yung ginagawa ninyo, Miss Muppet?
Actually, prior to anyo, partner lending conduit na tayo through yung plea natin.
Yung plea or plea.
Tapos kasi nag-end na yung program. So, they have a new program. Yun nga, yung anyo, yung other programs pa nila yata, yung Isda Kaya. Actually, na-launch ito. This program was launched way back, I think, January of 2020. Prior to the pandemic. So, we were invited to attend the launching there. I think that was in Batangas or Pampanga, and Secretary Dar was there. Ang bilis-bilis lang ng pangyayari, and then it was launched in the Visayas in February rata, prior to March, prior to lockdown. And then a few days after nag-lockdown na, so hangin tayo. So, naipasok natin yung isa pang program ng DAACPC, yung Expanded Sure Aid COVID.
Yan.
So yung Expanded Sure Aid COVID na programa nila, pang one time lang yun. Intended talaga yun sa may mga calamities, may mga emergencies. So may naka-avail tayo.
Loan din yun, Miss Mapet?
Yes, loan, 0 interest, 10 years to pay. To one time lang. Because ang purpose is because there was a pandemic. So after that, medyo okay na yung sitwasyon natin. Ito naman si Anyo, no? It's called Agri-Negosyo Loan Program. So, this loan window facility by ACPC is 0 interest ito. Just like the expanded na Sure COVID. 0 interest, 5 years to pay. Sa ating mga small farmers and fisher folks ang pwede maka-avail.
And Miss Mapet, baka meron nakikinig sa atin ngayon ng mga farmers or fisher folks, no, sa kanilang probinsya. Paano ba mag-avail nito?
Pa-register. Kasi isa sa mga requirement, mag-encourage talaga tayo na magpa-register sa RSBSA, no?
Saan sila pwede magpa-register sa RSBSA?
Pwede sa mga local nila ng mga municipalities, yung agriculture office. Yes, municipal agriculture office. So, pwede sila doon. Mag-apply sila. And then, after that, once na sila, register, hintayin na nila kasi it may take some time, no? Bago makapag-register. Pwede silang mag-inquire sa local na DA or sa ACPC if they would like to avail. Pero if yung mga pang-small, mga loans na lang under anyo, pwede naman silang directly, they can apply to the accredited partner lending conduit. For example, may member tayo na farmer siya. Alam niya about the program. Pwede siya, he would like to avail of the program, pwede siya directly na sa atin. Kasi hindi naman masyado malaki yung mga loan. Kasi pag medyo malaki na, they have to send that to the head office na sa ACPC na talaga sila mismo mag-a-apply. Pero kung mga like our members na mga maliliit na small farmers and fisher folks, pwede sila directly mag-apply sa atin.
So, Miss Mapet, no, akala ko grupo sila na mag-apply. Pwede pa lang individual.
Pwede naman.
So, Miss Mapet, nung nagpunta tayo sa Kawagan Island, ang ganda ng isla nila, no?
Yes,
But the problem is that, parang yung tubig, nahihirap din sila. Yung
island kasi, Sir Jay.
Then, I asked them, tinatanong ko yung mga isda, Sir, kasi yung na-receive nila na loan, 25,000 yun per person, 5 years to pay and 0 interest. Tinatanong ko sila, Sir, ano yung gagawin nyo sa pera? Sir, additional capital ko para sa aking mga fishing nets, no? Yung mga pangingisda nila, no? Yung needs nila sa mga materials for their yung sa pagpangingisda. Ano ba yan? Pangingisda. Ano ba yun sa Tagalog?
Mangingisda.
Mangingisda, no? Okay. So, ma'am, para bang sa tansya ko, I estimated umaabot ng 700,000 yung na-release natin doon. Doon sa Bacolod, yung napunta, can you share something sa Bacolod? Ano nangyayari?
Sa Bacolod. Maganda rin yung sa Bacolod.
So, ilang places na nga? Kawagan.
Kawagan.
Yung coming natin is the Todela.
Kawagan is may Todela pa tayo.
Argao. Sa Karkar, di ba?
Karkar. Okay. Mayroon tayong Cebu City Farmers.
Dito sa Lahog.
Yes. Tapos yung sa Bantayan.
Okay. Yung sa Bantayan. So, umaabot na ng magkano na yung na-release natin, no? With the help of the ACPC.
Nasa mga 4 million na yata, if I'm not mistaken. Nasa 4 million na.
Ang laki na, Miss Mapet.
4 or more than 4 million.
Malaki na. And, Miss Mapet, with these programs and services coming from the government and the cooperative, ano yung mga future plans po ninyo?
Future plans, I hope, ano ko na lang, Sir Jay, no? Kasi, na-accredit din tayo, no, sa DA, national level yung accreditation. We hope to bring the partnership also to other regions, no, ng Cebu People's Co-op, no? Kasi halimbawa sa Mindanao, ang dami din mga farmers and fisher folks doon, no? So, hopefully, kung anong ginagawa natin dito, we can also bring to other regions natin.
Yan. And Miss Mapet, ano yung mga most rewarding and challenging aspect in your years of service in the cooperative? Yan, nandito na.
Yes.
Love life ba?
Hindi. Challenging?
Nabiro lang, Miss Mapet, ha?
Yes. Sa challenging naman, of course, yung time, no? Kasi parang hinahabol mo minsan yung time.
Oo nga, no?
Oo, because you have to meet with partners, like you have to travel.
Yung mga documents.
Times, minsan yung documents, then like, especially kung magpapa-accredit ka, may ina-applyan ka, challenging din yun, no? You have to have a lot of patience. Tapos, kung traveling naman, minsan, maalon ba or hindi? Is it good weather or bad weather?
Yun, kinoconsider mo. Hindi ka ba takot sa mga maalon? Marunong ka ba lumangoy?
Yeah, hindi ako marunong lumangoy. Yun.
Baka, Miss Mapet, wala ka ng time sa sarili mo.
Meron man naman. So far, may time din naman,
Parang
no?
merong meaning si Miss Mapet.
May time din naman, no? Pero, when you travel kasi, ang dami mong matutunan, no? But kahit, from your own personal life, no, you get to learn because when you get to meet other people, yung mga beneficiary natin, makipag-usap ka, ang purpose mo is for work, but then again, ikaw, as a person, then, you learn from them. So, it's a two-way. We help them, they help us. So, and never a boring moment sa aking work, no? I can really say never a boring moment because every day is always a new opportunity to meet new people. And then at the back of my mind, new people, new partnerships, new programs. So yun ang nakikita ko. So never a dull moment. Siguro minsan apprehension, baka tatanggapin ba itong partnership or hindi. But so far so good ang aking experience. So yun, I like the way I like my work. Yun.
Ma'am, behind this, it's really a collaboration with other department, no? Gaya na sinasabi mo kanina. And how important it is na dapat
very
talaga
important
mag-collaborate.
Because success also lies in the collaboration among the persons inside the cooperative. Halimbawa, I travel there, no, I collaborate with our other kanang colleague like Agri-Aqua for the fisher folks, Mr. Abelia, and then for you also like for the documentation, paano naman malalaman ng other members natin without somebody documenting it?
Totoo yun.
Paano ba ako mag-document? I cannot do that. I am there on the field, Tapos, expertise nyo yun. Yung documentation, yung video, yung photographs and all. So, collaboration ng lahat. Pagdating doon, branch will collaborate also because sila lang yung magre-release. So, LGU was there. So, a lot of collaboration happening in one event. So, yun ang kanaganda. So, success really lies in the collaboration. And it has to start dito sa atin.
Yan, totoo yan. And, Ma'am Mapet, talking about the success, can you rate from 1 to 10? I know, hindi pa tayo tapos, no? Ang dami pa nating dapat.
Na kasi pinare-rate mo na ako.
I know na, Miss Mapet, na marami pa tayo mga projects, but based on our experiences, we talk about the special projects coming from the government towards our recipients. Ma'am, can you rate from 1 up to 10?
Anong rate sa ano?
Yung success natin.
Baka sabihin mo na,
gaano tayo ka-successful?
baka sabihin mo na very confident, ha?
No, assessment lang yun. Assessment lang.
Siguro I would rate 8.
Yan, okay na yun.
Yes.
Makapasa na
Pasa na ba?
makapasa na yun. 8. Oh, akala ko 7.
Hindi, gusto ko sana sabihin nga 10 eh.
10? Baka matatapos na tayo. Wala nang future projects.
Okay. Sige, 8 na lang.
8 na lang. And, Ms. Mapet, any message to our CPMPC staff, yung officers natin, yung employees, and sa mga members natin, lalo na sa mga recipients and future recipients or beneficiaries natin sa mga projects coming from the government na tayo po ay naka-channel dito sa ating cooperative?
So, siguro sa mga fellow natin na mga ka-peoples, no, na sa staff, kasi minsan, may mga times talaga nagugulit ako, I want to get data or document something. I hope you don't take it personally, no, because it's all about work, no? And then, yun, because may deadline din tayo and all. And it's nice working also, working with other staff kasi work with other branches also. Kasi minsan hindi ako nakakarating sa mga malalayo nating branches and then I don't know most of them. So at the same time, I get to know some of our staff from the different areas. So, ma'am, saan pa ba? Message to sa
the recipients, mga members natin.
Members, Cebu People's Co-op is there, no? Here to assist you. And then, in our own little way, we would like to join you as you journey to your plans and goals. People's Co-op is just here, no? To assist you and
then dapat din sa mga farmers natin and fisher folks, dapat kung tayo ay nakahiram ng pera sa co-op or coming from the government, hindi grants yun, dapat isauli natin yung pera. Di ba, Miss Mapet?
Pera, yes.
Dapat
Bayaran.
good steward tayo sa sa pera na para bang in order for you to be trusted with much, dapat trusted ka with little.
Exactly. So, yun, dapat bayaran para may ano pa.
May future pa.
Yes.
Para maitulong din natin sa iba, Miss Mapet, no? And Miss Mapet, can you encourage everyone? Nako, Miss Mapet, patapos na tayo. I will miss you.
Wow! Babalik pa ako, di ba, Sir Jay?
Ma'am, can you encourage everyone to be a member of Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative in the products and services that they can avail?
Okay, so kung encouraging everyone, no, to join us, be part of Cebu People's Co-op. We are here, no, to help you, assist you, whatever mga needs na kailangan nating gagawin to better whatever it is that yung mga plans nila for your life and all. People's Co-op is here, no. Yun nga, because we have a lot of programs that you can benefit from the financial, from the social, and all. We are just here. And then, because Cebu People's Co-op always believe that in every problem, there is a solution, no? So yun, and then we are here, hand in hand, to help you.
Yan, and Ma'am Mapet, baka meron kang gustong i-greet yung yung mo ganina. Meron pa akong time.
Sa family, yes. I hope they're watching. I will let them watch this segment or this video.
Yan.
Thanks for the support, no? Yung all-out support, never-ending support. I'm very happy with what I do because you are very supportive.
Yan, and I would like to greet also sa mga kaibigan nating OFW na palagi nakatutok sa ating programa dito sa ating Usapang Kooperatiba, and sa lahat ng mga staff na ating cooperative and even our CEO, the chairperson. Thank you so much for trusting with us. And sa mga hindi pa members na ating cooperative, we really encourage you to be a member. Don't you worry, nasa malayong lugar ka. Pwede ka magpa-member using our website by visiting www.mycoop.ph. Click po ninyo ang Be a Member Now button. And sa mga lahat ng members natin sa cooperative, we have this Play to Save program, Miss Mapet.
Yes.
For only 25 pesos, may savings ka na. Meron ka pang chance mag-isang milyonaryo or a brand new car. Mama Pet, maraming salamat talaga for giving us the time dito sa ating Usapang Kooperatiba.
My pleasure, Sir Jay, but this is not the last one.
Yan. Yan, ka-people, sa pagtatapos ng ating programa, ating makikita na patuloy na nagsusumikap ang ating kooperatiba sa paggawa ng mga proyekto at programa para sa ating mga membro at lipunan. Tayo ay lumilikha ng inisyatibo na nagbibigay daan sa pag-unlad ng social and economic welfare of every Filipinos dahil ang kinabukasan ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino sa Cebu People's Co-op sigurado. Thank you so much for watching and see you to our next episode, mga ka-people, dito lang sa Usapang Kooperatiba. To God be all the glory.